Every second, millions of digital footprints are exposed online. Emails, locations, leaked passwords, social profiles, and hidden metadata. And elite hackers. They know exactly where to look. Today, I'll show you 15 secret OSINT tools used by elite hackers and cybersecurity professionals in 2026. These tools can uncover exposed infrastructure, leaked data, hidden assets, and digital identities. But this video is strictly for educational and ethical security research purposes only. Number 1. Maltego. Maltego is one of the most powerful intelligence gathering tools ever created. It helps investigators map relationships between emails, domains, IP addresses, and social media accounts using visual graphs. Elite analysts use it for digital investigations and attack surface mapping. Number 2. Shodan. Shodan is basically Google for internet-connected devices. It can discover exposed cameras, servers, routers, and vulnerable IoT devices across the internet. Security researchers use it to identify weak systems before attackers exploit them. Number 3. Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot automates reconnaissance using hundreds of public data sources. It can collect DNS records, breach data, subdomains, emails, and IP intelligence within minutes. It's one of the fastest passive reconnaissance tools available today. Number 4. Intelligence X. This tool searches historical internet data, leaked documents, and even dark web content. Unlike normal search engines, Intelligence X can uncover deleted or archived information hidden for years. Number 5. Reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is a modular reconnaissance framework designed for professional OSINT operations. Many ethical hackers call it the Metasploit of information gathering because of its powerful automation features. Number 6. The Harvester. The Harvester specializes in collecting employee emails, subdomains, usernames, and public company assets from multiple search engines and databases. It's widely used during the reconnaissance phase of penetration testing. Number 7. Senses. Senses continuously scans the internet and indexes exposed systems and services. It focuses heavily on certificates, protocols, and infrastructure visibility, making it extremely useful for cyber investigations. Number 8. Fotcher. Fotcher extracts hidden metadata from files like PDFs, Word documents, and presentations. Sometimes companies accidentally expose usernames, software versions, or internal server paths through document metadata. Number 9. Hunter.io. Hunter.io helps locate publicly available corporate email addresses connected to domains. Security teams often use it for phishing awareness testing and business verification. Number 10. Have I been owned? This tool checks whether emails or passwords were exposed in known data breaches. Organizations use it to identify compromised accounts before attackers take advantage of them. Number 11. Wayback Machine. The internet never forgets. The Wayback Machine allows investigators to view archived versions of websites, including deleted pages, old directories, and historical company information. Number 12. Social links. Social links connects identities across multiple social media platforms. Investigators use it to analyze digital footprints, behavioral patterns, and online relationships. Number 13. OSINT Industries. This platform specializes in identity correlation. A single email address or phone number can reveal connected accounts, usernames, and public profiles across various services. Number 14. Leak Check. Leak Check monitors leaked credentials and exposed databases. Many companies use it to track employee exposure and reduce the risk of account takeovers. And finally, number 15. Google Dorking. One of the oldest but most powerful OSINT techniques ever created. Advanced Google search operators can uncover exposed files, login portals, public documents, and accidentally indexed sensitive information. OSINT is no longer optional in cybersecurity. In 2026, information is the most powerful weapon online, and the people who know how to collect it dominate the digital battlefield. But always remember, use these tools ethically, legally, and only for authorized security research. Subscribe for more cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and OSINT content. Stay anonymous, stay ethical, and stay secure.